Yeah.
There's a lot of it, though.
I'm recording. I can catch it now.
Smart idea.
Hurry up. Woo, see that?
Yeah,
Lightning.
No bolts yet.
Shut up, Dad. Woo! Try lightning. Isn't it pretty?
That
Hurry
last
up.
one that we saw was awesome.
It was, but I missed it because I was getting the stupid camera. Oh, see some more. Yeah.
Ooh, almost.
From down here. Yeah. We're waiting for Kitty. I'm looking at the lightning. Isn't that amazing, people? I know, right?
I'm trying to see who can outsmart who at the door. We're playing a mind game.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, you just missed it.
I'm gonna win.
You missed a good one.
Shut up. Stupid lightning, come back. Pretty lightning, where'd you go? Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness, did you get that one?
Oh,
It's not gonna take. It's too light over here.
Stupid light needs to go away. Shh, I think oh, did you see that? You saw that.
Nice.
Hey, look, I think Kitty's here.
Ooh,
Look, it's Kitty! Ooh, it's Kitty! Shh, okay, let's go back to lightning now. Stupid lightning, come back. Yeah. See? You see that?
That was a nice
Isn't it pretty? It's dry lightning, people of Oklahoma.
We're
Shut up! Look, it's Kitty! No, we're recording lightning. Because we can't take pictures. Oh, see? I saw it again. Knock on my hand.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does. Don't let him get you. Knock on the door.
Not on the door.
Knock on the door.
Hold on.
Knock on the door.
I'm nice.
No, she's not getting $5 by cheating by texting you.
Knock on the door. $5, please. I just won. Oh crap, I'm still recording. I won.